This is a helpful tip video. When you're doing an aerosol project, you want to minimize hard paint lines. We're going to show you how to use TouchUpDirect tape. You're going to roll it and it will soften those paint lines, making your aerosol project come out much nicer. We're going to take a look at this part. We painted this in a way so that it's more obvious because we've used two different colors. This side is just normal, straight tape. You can feel it has an edge. This side, we've rolled the tape, and this has created a feather edge. This is very easy to tell. When you go to feel this on whatever your paint project might be, you can feel the difference easily. We're gonna show you how to roll that tape so that you have this soft edge as opposed to the hard edge. Okay, Boris, show us how it's done.
Okay, well, this is a 3/4 inch tape that you get from TouchUpDirect. You will attach this to the side of the table and pull, so you have some tension, okay? With the middle fingers, you're gonna flip this down. And then this other finger, this one, will be in front of it, will be guiding the fold, and hold it with your fingers and then just pull. And there's your soft folded edge. Cut it out, bring the part in, and we'll apply. That's the folded edge. Put the tape in, start on one side, make sure it's all nice and tight when it goes down. And there's your folded edge that you have.
And that edge is what allows this, right?
Absolutely.
And why is that?
Well, when you're spraying, make sure that you're spraying in that direction, so you're not putting paint underneath it. If you put the paint underneath it, you're gonna have a little bit of a hard edge. If you spray that way, then the only thing that's gonna get underneath this fold will be a little bit of overspray. And that's what's giving you the nice and soft, smooth edge.